Today we're talking CIT Bank. I'm going to be covering the different types of accounts that CIT Bank has, what the pros are, what the cons are, and we're going to jump right in. There's going to be no fluff in this video. So first, CIT Bank. So CIT Bank is an online-based bank account. And a lot of people are confused by what does it mean an online-based bank account and why is that good, why is that bad? There's definitely pros to that and cons to that. One thing that I think is a major pro is they're able to have higher interest rates for you, which is a good thing, higher interest rates on your savings accounts or your CDs. And the reason they're able to do that is because they don't have any physical locations. So they're cutting out the overhead that a physical location would have, as in more labor, having to pay for the property or lease or anything like that on the property. So banks like Wells Fargo or Bank of America, they have those physical locations, so they have that extra overhead, so they can't offer as competitive rates as online-based bank accounts like CIT Bank. So you are going to get those higher yield savings accounts, the APYs, which is awesome. I will say if you do want to open a CD or a savings account, a high yield savings account, anything with CIT Bank, I'll have a link down below in the description box, freedominabudget.com/CIT Bank, and it'll bring you right to the website where you can open up an account in like 2 minutes. It's super fast, super easy. So definitely check out the link down below in the description box. Okay, now for the pros. Like I said, one of the biggest pros of CIT Bank is the APY and the high yield savings account that they have. Now, I'm not going to give you in this video what the APY is on their savings accounts because it is something that fluctuates. It's something that fluctuates with the market, something that fluctuates over time. So if you watch this video a month from now, a year from now, anything like that, the rates could be different. So I'm not going to give you a specific number, but it is crazy of how much higher it is than typical Bank of America, Wells Fargo. We had all of our money for a while in Bank of America and I was earning like a penny of interest a day. Then I switched over to CIT Bank and I was earning like $10 a day. I'm sorry, a month, not a day. A day would be awesome. But $10 a month versus a penny a month, yeah, I'll take the $10 anytime. It's not a crazy amount of money, but if my money's going to be sitting in a bank account, I want it to at least be doing something. So that is a great perk, is the higher APY on online-based savings accounts like CIT Bank. The next huge pro is they're FDIC insured. So having an online bank be FDIC insured is so important, and one of the top things that I look for when I'm looking for a bank is, are they FDIC insured? Yes. Okay, we can proceed and move forward. The next huge pro is that there are very low minimum requirements to open up the account. Depending on the type of account that you want, which we're going to get into in a minute, is different on the amount that you need to deposit to open up the account. Next pro is 24/7 online and mobile access to your bank accounts. They also have mobile direct deposit and mobile checking that you can upload right from your phone. I love this feature. I use it all the time. If I'm getting checks from family members or brands or whatever it is, I can upload them right from my phone and you don't have to go to a physical location anymore. You also have easy access to your e-checking account through Zelle, Bill Pay, and your CIT debit card. Now going into the cons, this is a pro and a con at the same time. They do not have any physical ATM locations, so you're not going to see a CIT Bank branded ATM like you would see a Chase or Bank of America. But they do reimburse you up to $30 a month on ATM fees. So if you go to an ATM and it costs $3 to use the ATM, I don't even know how much ATMs are nowadays, but if you go and it costs $3, they're going to reimburse you up to $30 per month. So with that being said, you can use the ATM quite a few times if you are traveling or whatever it is and you need to direct deposit cash into or take cash out. You can use that right at any ATM and they'll reimburse you up to $30 a month. Another con is there are no physical bank locations, so that does stink that you're not able to go into a branch and talk to someone face to face. But like I said, they do have their online tech support and their online support, so there is someone that you can talk to if you do have any questions about your money or what's going on. Next con is they don't have credit cards, IRAs, or auto loans. So those three things are a little bit of a downer, but they have so many other perks that I am perfectly okay with getting those things at other banks or other financial institutions. As you can see here on their website, they have a few different savings accounts and CDs. First one is a savings builder, and as of right now, it is 0.4% APY. And you do have to either have $25,000 or be making a minimum of at least $100 a month in a monthly deposit to keep that APY and not to get charged a fee. But like I said, it is 6 times higher than national average for a savings account. So that is incredible. And that is the Savings Builder account. Next account is the money market account. This is 4.5% APY currently. This is 7 times higher than the national average. This one, there's no monthly fees, which is amazing. And they're FDIC insured. They have a limit of 6 transactions per statement cycle and direct deposit checks remotely. This is a great account if you're saving for an emergency fund or buying a house or having something long-term that you want to get those high yield savings in your account. Next is CDs. So CDs are awesome and a great way to get even a higher interest rate. And they have different types of CDs. They have term CDs, no penalty 11-month CDs, jumbo CDs, and ramp up CDs, which are really, really great. And like I said, you can get either even higher. So this one, the term CDs, is 0.50% APY, minimum of $1,000 to open it, which is awesome. So you can see the different terms. So you have it for longer, it's going to be a higher interest rate, which is awesome. Their jumbo CDs are up to 0.5% APY. And as you can see, the longer that you have the jumbo CD, the higher the interest is. So if you have it for 4 years versus 3 years, you get an extra 0.1%. And there's no account opening or maintenance fees with jumbo CDs, daily compounding interest to maximize your earning potential, and of course they are FDIC insured. So that is a full breakdown of CIT Bank. If you have any questions on CIT Bank, leave them down below in the comments. I'll be sure to answer them in the comments or make a full other video answering your questions. And if you do want to sign up for CIT Bank, I'll have a link down below in the description box for you. Let's keep the conversation going. If you want to know some savings challenges to save some money, keep yourself motivated, check out this video here. And if you want to know our multiple streams of income, how we have 7 different income streams and the importance of multiple income streams, check out this video here.